Very good morning, students. We are going to see striving for equality. We are going to see striving for equality. How we want to make a strive or work or a desire for the equality. The struggle for freedom from British rule also included within the struggle for of large group of people who not only fought against the British but fought to be treated more equally. Means the when we was fighting with the British people to get freedom, that time onwards we started to fight for the equality, or we thought like that we want to all people should get equal treatment in the society. And we can see the Dalits, ladies, then the tribal groups, peasants, all of them worked together and to fight against British people, as well as to fight against with this problem with equality or discrimination. So as pointed out earlier, many Dalits organized themselves to gain entry into temple. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was one of the famous person. When we discuss about him, we have said already that women demand that they should have as much as a right to education men did. Ladies, they are asking like that. We want to get the education equal right. And if we are thinking like that, the education level of India, we can see that one. If it is a graph, we can see this we can make into some branches like the 0 here, then 50 here, then 100 here, to 150 and 200, like that it is going. And we can see that when the male members, 100 members, we can show with green color. For male members 100% they are getting education. And we will show ladies with yellow color. We can see that ladies, they are getting not even 50 percentage of the ladies, they are getting education. This is the condition present in India. That's why what they are saying like that, how the gents members are getting education, like that we also want to get education. Then peasants and tribal fought to release themselves from the gap of the money lender, grasp from the money lender and the high interest rate. Third type of fight, that is to serve the peasant group, are the small people, those who are having very less land, make a 1 acre, 2 acre, 3 acre, like that. And the tribal group also saying like that they want to get freedom. They should be protected from, they should be protected from the money lenders. The money lenders, they are taking, why they are asking like that, they are, when we are taking loan, they are taking very high amount of loan from us. If you are taking loan from the bank, we can see, if you are taking loan from bank, we want to give, if you are taking 1,000 rupees, we want to pay 10 rupees in a year for an per annum. We want to annum we want to pay as a rent to the rent in the bank. But if you are taking from the money lender for 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, we want to pay 10 rupees per month, means we want to pay 120 rupees per year. It is very high when we are considering with a poor peasant or a tribal. So next one, when India become the nation in 1947, when we become independent, 1947 August 15th, that we all know. And the leaders were also concentrated about the different kinds of inequalities what is existing here in India. The leaders, when we become independent, that time also our independent Indian leaders, they thought about how to make equality in the society. For that, they made some of the provisions in Indian Constitution. And Indian Constitution, they wrote, they given the provisions for the equality in the society. And what is a constitution? It is a document that laid out the rules by which the nation would function, how our nation should function. In that, what is the duties of ministers and central government, state government, like that things very clearly written in the constitution. That is the means of the rule of the nation, how we should rule ourselves, how we should function in the country. And are were aware of the ways in which and in which discrimination had been practiced in our society and how people had struggled against this. How the people they are struggled against means how they are faced discrimination in the society and how much they suffered. Many leaders of the of these struggles, such as Dr. Ambedkar, had also fought for the right of the Dalits, not only for equality in the society, but Dr. Ambedkar he is very especially caring about Dalits. And we can see some of other leaders. So these leaders set out the vision and goal, two things, vision and goal of our constitution. Our leaders, they are thinking about vision and goal of our constitution, and for what, to ensure all the people of India are considered equal. All should get the equal right in the society. Like that, they made the vision and goal of the constitution. Then we can see this equality of all persons to seen as the key value of key value that unites all of us as Indians. We are calling ourselves as Indian citizenship. If we are getting the to write in the form school, when we are filling the application form of a school, it will say like that, your nationality. Then we used to write like that, Indians, and we are writing like as Indian because we are enjoying the equality provisions with the help of our constitution. And then next point, everyone has equal rights. Each and every people having equal rights as according to Indian constitution, as well as we are getting the opportunities. We are getting opportunities. Next point, it is untouchability. Untouchability has been seen as a crime. They made the leaders, they made like that, untouchability as a crime. So then we can see that one, and had been legally abolished by law. Then in starting they said like that untouchability is a crime. Then slowly they abolished that one. They with the help of rules, they said like that it is banned. We should not show any untouchability to the people. Next point, it is people are free to choose the kind of work in and kind of work they wish to do. They can do which type of work they want. And government jobs are open to all people. Government jobs are open to all people means in olden days the lower caste people should not come for the government job, or they was not at all educated. In addition, Constitution also placed the responsibility on the government to take specific steps to realize the right to equality for poor and other marginal communities. The communities, those who are suffering with some of the social problems, like education problem, like that things, they want to get a special concern. That that is the duty of the government according to the constitution. So we want to study 5 points, that is 6 points we want to study. First point, it is made the vision and goal of the constitution, and in that saying like that all people should consider as equal. Second one, all people we are getting the equality, or this equality is the key value of which is making all Indians together. Then we are getting equal rights as well as opportunities. Then fourth point, untouchability is a crime. Then next point, it is the people we can select our own work what we want to do. Then government jobs are equal for everyone. That is the sixth point. And seventh point, Indian constitution given that duty to the government to make the steps to make the people, those who are suffering, to understand, realize the rights of the equality of the poor as well as marginal communities, those who are deprived, those who are away from the society. Then we can see next point, that is the writers of the Constitution also said respect for diversity was the significant element in ensuring equality. If we want to ensure equality, we want to respect the diversity, we want to respect the differences of each and every community. For example, the people, those who are living in the coastal area, they are maximum, they are fish, they are doing the fishing and allied works. So the fisherman community, what is their need? Their equality means they consider themselves equal, and when they are coming to other parts of the society, they want to get respect. And so we want to, what we want to do, we want to respect the diversity. It may be tribal group, it may be different language speaking people, it may be different food eating people. Everything should consider, and we want to give respect. Okay, we will continue in next video.